All right, this is Liberty stock number 5049C. I'm sorry, 50497. It's a Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower vertical mill with power feed, a Curt power drawbar, Accurite 2 digital readout, 6-inch Curt vise, serial number 213412.
And, okay, before we power up then, let's take a look at, I haven't seen the tables yet. You want to kind of look through it, go after it? Yeah, you got the boards on the tables, but no holes in here. This is looking pretty good. And we can check the other side. We'll take a look at the ways. I can dial them back. Swivel vise on here. Yeah, this table is pretty clean, so. And for ways, yeah, backlash, we can fire up the DRO. We can't really see this one. I can show some of the cross slide though here. Run this in a little bit. Take this off here. We're not using the vise right now. This shows pretty well. We lubed it up a little bit. It does have lubrication on the side, so clean. Backlashes, a few thousandths, like they all are. And vertical, as long as you're down. I even tried vertical. Yeah, I don't think it's locked, but yeah. Yeah, bring that up. That works nice. Vertical's good, and as long as we're on the table movement, let me bring it back a little bit. We'll turn the DRO on, and for that matter, we could do the servo drive right away too, without the spindle running. Kind of listen to that. So we flip that on. That should come up by a 0-0. We've got that going on. Can move this a little bit. There's one of them. That works nice. Plus, minus. And bring this in a little bit. Plus, minus, and 0-0 again, and take off and ready to go. So without doing any programming on this thing, just using it as a straight up DRO, that works nice. And while we're in here, I think we're plugged in. Let me try the servo drive. Oh, switch it on. There we go. This works. This sounds really good too. The servo unit. So dial it up a little bit. We got room. Yeah, we got room to go. Is this loose? Yeah, we're not locked. Go full out. And back the other way maybe. Same thing, slow it down. It's nice, works good. That's good. And that said, tables, DRO works. Work our way up to the head, I guess. Well, right, in fact, as long as we're at it before we do the spindle, I could do the power drawbar. I think that'll come up with. Yep. That's that guy there. Just got an end mill sitting in there. Go back up a little bit here. If I can find it. There we go. Is that all the way up? Yep. And yeah, good enough for now. That's this air line right here going up to the air package. And there's no bulb in the lamp, so I can't try that. Vices, like I said, vise is in nice shape. I just want to cover everything else before we go into the head. The spindle. Spindle, we're in low, so we'll leave it low. We'll start off in low. I think rotation is back. Oh, we're in high. Okay, we'll leave it in high then. And we'll dial it up. We're about mid-range now. 18. 22. Sounds nice. 28. 36. I don't want to get up too high in the red. There's no need for it. There's 38. We'll go full down. 800. That's far as it goes there. So. We can flip it over to low. And we're at 170 now. Same vary disc, but in low speed. Full up right there, 42, which is 500 on low. We could try reverse ones too, for what it's worth. Go the other way. Sounds about the same, that's a good sign. Go back into high one more time, latch it in, and leave it at that. There we go. Put that up, and high, full up, 4,200. I'll bring it back down mid-range, play with the feet a little bit, and there we go. It's 16, it's about mid-range. Bring in the feed, I think we're down. Coming, bring this high up here. That's that. And for what it's worth, I can go through the other speeds real fast. That's a little bit slower. Right there. And one more. Works nice. It's all good. Forward reverse works on the clutch. So no problem there. What did I miss? Did I miss anything? It's all pretty good. 2 horsepower motor. Like I said, running it up at 2,000 all the way up to 44,000. Sounds nice.
What are we running at currently?
Right now it's at 2,000. Like I said, it's button.
For voltage.
Oh, and we are running at 480. No, the lathe was 480. This is 220. It's running low voltage, yep. One-time reverse in high speed. We haven't done that yet, so let's reverse.
All right.
It's a good running. It's a good running machine. Yeah. Looks good. Sounds good.